Okay, so I watched the movie on Netflix, Seven. So I'm just looking at it here on screen. So 1995, it's holding up well. But my classification for it is that it is very bingeable. It's an excellent movie. I've seen it before, so I know the twist. No spoilers. I know the twist. But it's an absolutely excellent movie. So who is in it? It is Brad Pitt, Morgan Freeman, Gwyneth Paltrow, John C. McGinley, and they don't mention the bad guys in it is Kevin Spacey. Kevin Spacey, yeah. So Kevin Spacey's the bad guy. Forgot that. So one of my favorite things about it is that it's directed by David Fincher. I really, really like his style. Now I have another YouTube channel, and what I'm trying to do is work on, say, producing videos and bits and pieces like that. And over the years, when you watch videos, people refer back to his style of how he makes videos. He's a particular type of style, and it really, I think it's my favorite style, to be honest. So that's it. Look, I watched it. It's on Netflix Ireland, and I would definitely recommend that you watch it. Great movie.